Ready to start.
Okay, we're starting.
We put 6 tablespoons in fresh water, which makes the water thicker than regular water. So if I took this egg out of here and put it in here, it doesn't float.
Nope.
Because the water isn't as thick as this, because the salt makes this water thicker.
The salt water is denser than the egg. I think that's how that works. So go ahead and dump that water out. This is just regular tap water. Yeah, try to salvage the egg. We might want to eat that. There you go. I'll go ahead and stick it in another one.
And if we put it in here, it floats because the salt water is thicker than regular water.
Alright. Cool. That's a neat little experiment. Say bye to everybody.
Bye!